Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I'm Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video shows how to make and use bar graphs. Let's get started. Okay, most people are familiar with bar graphs. Bar graphs are simply histograms for categorical or qualitative data. Now, I gotta say, I really love this example bar graph over here, right? It says, what kind of pet do you own? And check this out. What comes up on top? It's the cat. Cats come out on top. Yes, I'm a totally incurable cat lover. Okay, so I love this graph. I also love saying, cats rule, dogs drool. And then, of course, there in the graph, you got a smattering of other animals. Rabbits, goldfish, hamsters. They're kind of cute to look at, but the cat is where it's at, man. So if you're a cat lover like me, then give me a high five if you ever see me. And if you're a dog lover, well, I'm just plain sorry for you. That's all I can say. But hey, please don't hold it against me. I'm still a good guy. Okay. Now, we can make multiple bar graphs if we put two or more graphs together that have the same categories or groupings. So here we have an example where people were asked, what's your favorite milk flavor? They are asked to distinguish between chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Now notice how we've got different colors representing different categories or groupings. So we've got the young males in blue, young females in red, and senior citizens in green. I kind of have some questions about this particular multiple bar graph. I mean, look at it. When this graph says, okay, that more young women prefer vanilla milk than chocolate milk, does that make sense to you? I'm just asking a question. I'm not making any judgments here. I'm just asking. I mean, I could see it for the young men, but the young women? I'm thinking, why wouldn't they go for the chocolate milk? Maybe there's something here I don't know about. Maybe it was a convenience sample, so it's distorting the data, not very characteristic of the whole population. Hey, I don't know. I'm not making any judgments here. I'm just asking a question. Hey, and now all kidding aside, that is the kind of thing you want to do when making or looking at any graph. Okay? You need to look at the data, make comparisons, ask questions, ask yourself, does this make sense? Is this telling me something that actually makes sense? That's something you always want to be doing. Again, statistics is more about critical thinking than it is about the math. Okay? Now, to make a bar graph in Statcrunch, just pretend you're making a frequency distribution or a histogram and follow the same steps. There's no difference because that's what a bar chart essentially is. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.